Your roof is an essential part of your home. It protects your house from moisture and pests, making it more comfortable and preventing damage. But roofs become less effective as they age. If you have an aging roof, you might need a new one to avoid storm damage in Horseshoe Bay. We're the roofing experts for Greater Austin area homeowners, and we want you to have a beautiful, protective, and long-lasting roof. So we've put together some of the ways to tell you need a roof replacement before the next storm hits. The shingles of your roof keep water outside of your home. If you notice damaged shingles on your roof or constant water leaks, you might need a replacement. You can also tell if it's time for a new roof by how it looks. A curvy or wavy appearance is a sign your roof is sagging and indicates it's nearing the end of its lifespan. Energy efficiency is a benefit of a quality roof. By keeping the external weather outside, you rely less on your heating and cooling system and spend less on your energy bills. At Legacy Roofing Pros, we'll inspect your roof to discover problems and why they're happening. We'll make efficient repairs or a replacement if necessary, ensuring you have a beautiful and protective roof for years to come. If you want the best roofing services for your Horseshoe Bay home, Legacy Roofing Pros is here to help. Call us today to get started.